Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the online tool called Shodan. Okay, so Shodan here, search engine for internet of everything. Okay, we can do a lot here. Okay, they have given a lot of examples. Shodan crawls the entire internet every week to give you the truly global perspective. Okay, let us start here. We'll click on login. Now my account has been done. Okay, we'll do list of few things to see the greatness of this tool called Shodan. First, let us search for webcamxp. You can see these are all the sources available online. So as you can see, in the United States you have 29, Germany, Japan, France and more. So webcamxp is a software that transforms your computer into a surveillance system. Okay, you can see a lot here. Let me search for default report for real-time CCTV feed. It is port 554, and also we have port 8043 default ports for camera web configuration. Okay, let's search for port 443 first. Okay, let me filter this search. Port 443. Let me click on enter. See, you can see what is the port 443 here. Default port for viewing camera web configuration. See, port country :IN. So we have India, see Reliance Jio, see we have Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi, others. Only we have discussed very few things. This tool is very powerful. Just play around with this tool and see all the features which we can access with Shodan. Okay, hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.